Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green salad for diet, full guide. Wash and dry all greens before assembling to keep the salad crisp. Begin with a mix of romaine, spinach, and arugula for varied nutrients and flavor. Chop sturdy stems and tear delicate leaves by hand. Keep components cold and dress just before serving to maintain texture and flavor for a satisfying, low-calorie meal. Layer vegetables for taste and nutrition, starting with cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers for crunch and color. Add sliced radish or shredded carrot for bite and visual appeal. Include a modest serving of protein such as chickpeas or diced chicken to make the salad more filling. Sprinkle sunflower seeds or chopped almonds for texture, but keep portions controlled to match diet goals and calorie targets for balanced eating. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more healthy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are great for storing salad and keeping dressings separate until mealtime, making prep easy and mess-free. They fit neatly in fridge drawers and save time when packing lunches for work or school. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a light vinaigrette with olive oil, vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors without overwhelming the salad. Whisk thoroughly and taste before adding, adjusting acidity or seasoning as needed. Add herbs like parsley or basil for freshness and a sprinkle of lemon zest for aroma. Remember to toss gently so every leaf gets a light coating while keeping overall calories aligned with your diet plan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.